Drive Motorsports was really born from a place of enthusiasm for a love of cars. We decided that if we were going to build what we expected to see in the automotive dealership landscape in the Lower Mainland, we needed to do so with love. All of our favorite cars as kids, or the cars that are built presently, everything that we enjoy driving and looking at, we want a house. That means that every single vehicle that we choose to inventory, we need to inventory and manage as custodians, and that every vehicle needs to be in a state far beyond what's expected of its current owners or prospective buyers. Part of the way that we ensure that we can provide that is by dealing with only the best repair facilities that we know of here in the Lower Mainland. We do need to ensure that it's offered to our prospective buyers in a state that not only meets our standards, but should exceed them. If that is a paint facility or a vendor like Mike Auto, whom is the only technician that we choose to use for mechanical reconditioning. We use him due to his experience with sports and exotics, his understanding of mechanics and flexibility with really being able to repair something. All of our inventory is sitting on the floor. If it does happen to sit for 2 or 3 months, which in the sports and exotic car world, we do prefer to have that looked at periodically. Today is an example of how Drive Motorsports takes its custodianship seriously. We have here a 2008 Porsche 911 GT2. This car's been with us for a little while. Now, to follow through on the promise that we're taking proper care of these vehicles while they're in our inventory, we're just going to take it down to Mikey, make sure that nothing's popped up while it's been sitting on the showroom floor.
I'm Mike. Everybody call me Mikey. So I'm an owner of Mike Auto. I'm the only technician here. I would do all the work, diagnosis, and repair and building. So I've been working on car for 30 years. Last 20 years working on all the luxury cars and all the European cars, Italian cars. Because I'm a shop owner and I care about the building relation with my customers while also working on their cars. It's my responsibility to understanding my clients and concerns and ensure the car is fixed right at a fair cost.
I know that every time I drop a car to Mikey, just as with the GT2, I'll get back more value than what I give forward. Having direct contact with both the technician and the service advisor being the same person does go a long way with us, so we can trust that whatever we're getting is not miscommunicated. When we drop a Porsche off or a Lexus or a Honda CR-V, I can trust that the car is going to be taken care of and the car will get what it needs without getting any excess. It's not going to be a big bloated invoice and I'll be left wondering, hey, why did we do all that work? It's this effortless alignment of standards that's led Drive Motorsports to have such a long-standing relationship with Mike Auto.